Alicia here for another one of our FAQ videos. So what do you want to know? Hello, today we are going to answer the frequently asked question, how do you choose the best bottle or jar for your health or beauty product? When you're in the beauty industry, packaging is very important in helping people decide which products to buy. Not only do you want your product appealing to your customers, you also want it practical and safe. For example, if you have an oil-based product, you don't want to put your product in a container that's not compatible with oil and will allow the oil to leach over time and seep onto shelves and storage areas when selling and promoting your products. Some products have ingredients that shouldn't be exposed to air or should only be stored in glass. Does your product need a foaming pump? Should it have a double wall? There are so many factors that come into play when choosing the correct packaging, and we want to make sure you get it right. We carry a huge selection of health and beauty bottles and jars that are sure to meet your packaging needs. If you're unsure of the bottle you need for your product, we have a skilled technical department that can help you choose the correct item. Please feel free to give them a call at 800-821-0349 or email them at techsupport@usplastic.com. Thanks for watching another one of our videos, and remember, if you have a question you need answered, or maybe you have an idea for our next video, send us an email at techvids@usplastic.com or give us a call at 1-800-537-9724. We'll see you next time.